Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Niagara Falls, New York, and home of the Helmel Engineering Products Corporation. For nearly 50 years, Helmel has been engaged in the design, manufacture, sales, and service of coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs, and related software. They serve the precision three-dimensional inspection and reverse engineering needs of all major manufacturing markets, including aerospace, automotive, construction, consumer products and appliances, education, energy, food processing, electronics, IT, telecom, medical devices, shipbuilding, general transportation, and all other precision manufacturing concerns. Helmel systems are in Department of Energy and Department of Defense related facilities. Additionally, Helmel enjoys a vital original equipment manufacturing base, designing and building precision moving structures under private labels for several manufacturers in metrology-related fields. Anyone having to verify a physical part to dimensions on a design print or three-dimensional computer automated design model, or whose production process must be maintained within tolerance to a high degree of accuracy, is a potential customer. A complete line of bridge-style machines equipped with tactile or laser sensors are offered for manual and automatic operation. Helmel's proprietary mechanical bearing systems make their machines well suited for production floor applications where high reliability is paramount. Helmel is a vertically integrated manufacturer with most key operations within their Niagara Falls, New York headquarters. Designs, prototypes, machining, grinding, welding, painting, assembly, testing, calibration, sales, training, and ongoing support are all handled internally. Additionally, Helmel has representatives throughout the U.S. and more than 35 countries worldwide. Come see the precision of Helmel at helmel.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.